Hello everyone, welcome to BNC Academy, your trusted channel for unlocking your potential and mastering life skills. I'm your host Chinmayi and here to guide you on the journey of self-improvement and transformation. So, have you ever wondered why some people seem to achieve anything they set their mind to while others struggle? Imagine planting seed in a garden. Positive thoughts are like nurturing seeds that grow into success. Negative thoughts, they are the weeds that hold you back. In today's lesson, we are diving deep into the science of mind power and how it can transform your life. So let's start with the introduction to mind power. Our thoughts have immense power to shape our reality. Science call this neuroplasticity, the brain's ability to rewrite itself based on experiences and focus. So think of your mind as the ultimate tool. When you visualize success, your brain naturally aligns your actions to make it a reality. So here is a simple example. When athlete mentally rehearses their performance, they build the same neural pathways as they would be physically practicing. This is not magic, it's science. Okay, so let's see why mind power is important. Okay, so now observe. Let's talk about why mind power matters. So your thoughts influence your emotions, which drive your actions and ultimately shape your outcomes. So if you think positively, you will focus on solutions and opportunities. If you dwell on negativity, you will stay stuck in problems. So for instance, think about something starting a business or someone starting a business, right? So a positive mindset helps them push through challenges, while self-doubt might stop them before they even begin. Your mind power is a foundation of your success. It determines how far you will go. Right? So, let's see characteristics of people with a strong mind power. Let me zoom this for your better visibility. Right? Yeah. So, see here. Now, let's explore the traits of those who have mastered mind power. The first one, it is visualization. They visualize success clearly. See, they see their goals as if they already achieve them. Okay, so and coming to the next one, it is resilience. So setbacks don't discourage them, they learn and adopt the success. So coming to the third one, self-discipline, very important. So they stay disciplined. They focus on their goals without being distracted. And coming to the fourth characteristics of the person, those who possess this strong mind power. So their optimism. So they maintain a positive outlook no matter what the circumstances is. Right? So you can take the example of Michael Phelps, the Olympic swimmer. He is a perfect example. He visualized his races in detail, which helped him to win 23 Olympic gold medals. Literally 23 Olympic gold medals. See? So let's see. What are the characteristics of those who struggle with mind power? Right? So let me take you through this. That means those who lack mind power, not having, those who lack mind power. Let me close it for your clear understanding. Right. So see, what are the characteristics of the people, those who struggle with the mind power? On the flip side of this, the people, those who are having the mind power, this is the flip, we can say. They engage in negative self-talk and thinking as well, like yes, I am not good enough, I am not able to, and I am not capable to do this work, so on. Okay, so negative self-talk runs in their mind. Okay, they lack focus and clear goals as well. They don't have any, they won't keep any set of focus or goals to focus on, right? They let stress and fear take over with all the blockages, right? So these fears and limiting beliefs which causes blockages for their progress. So the good news, this can be changed. Okay, so it can be changed. Everyone has the ability to strengthen their mind power. Like, so let's see how they can do. So in this how to strengthen the mind power, I am going to take you through this one. So coming to the next part, it is visualization. So how you can build your mind power? Here are few practical steps to improve. Let's see one by one. So first one, it is visualization. Visualization in the sense, visualize your success. To gain this, you need to do only one thing. Picture yourself achieving your goals in a vivid detail. Okay, and coming to the next one, it is positive self-talk. That means you need to replace your negative thoughts with affirmations like I am capable and confident. I am capable and confident. So once again, you need to do in the life itself. So I am capable and I am confident. And the third step that you can do is meditate under mindfulness. That means you need to do meditation regularly. Just 5 to 10 minutes a day can bring clarity and reduce stress. Okay, so coming to the next one, set clear goals. The fourth important thing that you can do is set clear goals. Okay, so break your big dreams into smaller, achievable. Okay, then it will be very easy to celebrate the small wins. And coming to the last but not least, journaling. So that means journal diary. Write down your aspirations and track your progress by looking at them. Okay, so these small habits done consistently can create a huge transformation. Okay, so let me take you through the next point where we are going to discuss about real life examples of mind power in action. Right, so let's look at the real life examples. Michael Phelps, as I mentioned earlier, used visualization to dominate in a swimming. Okay, and Oprah Winfrey, it was already discussed in the class 1, right? Overcame unimaginable challenges by believing in her vision and taking consistent action. So in every day, in our everyday life, people achieve incredible things with the right mindset, whether it's losing weight or starting a business or achieving financial independence or learning a particular skill. Okay, the common factor, they harnessed the power of their mind. So they believed in it. Okay, they trained their mind according to it. Okay, so let's see the important point, practicing positive self-talk. So here I am going to give you only 3 steps, very simple steps to practice this self-talk. Let's see. But before going to practice it, you need to understand one thing. Positive self-talk is one of the simplest yet most effective tools. So here are the steps how you can do it. So first one, identify your negative thoughts like I can't do this, or I always fail, I am not capable of doing or achieving this. So identify whatever the negative thoughts that you are bearing in your brain, just navigate them and write it down. Okay, so now the second step you need to do is replace them with a positive affirmations like I am learning and I am growing. Okay, so if you are saying that I can't do this, so if you stay in that mindset, we won't change, right? So we are giving a counter word like yes, though I don't know anything, I am learning and I am growing. Though I always fail, I am learning to be successful. Likewise. Okay. So I'm coming to my third step. It is say these affirmations every day, preferably in front of a mirror. Right. So if you practice this in front of a mirror, definitely you will habitate a healthy daily routine, which train your mind and also your daily life according to the sayings. Right. So over time, this rewrites your subconscious for confidence and success as well. Okay. So let's see the activity that I am going to give you. I have already planned a small activity to give you here. Yes, let me drag it. So see here. Your mind is the most powerful tool. Please make it sure. Okay. So by visualizing, affirming and believing in your potential, you can shape your reality and achieve your dreams. So here is a small challenge for you. Write down one negative thought you often have and replace it with a positive affirmation and repeat it every morning this week. Let me know in the comments how it works for you. Okay, so don't forget to like this and share it with your someone who needs inspiration, and subscribe to BNC Academy for more transformational content. Okay, so remember, the power to change your life is already within you, and see, you need to prepare your mind. That's all. You need to prepare your mind. So see you in the next video, and signing off.